times 7.
6 times 7?
Dapat kahit tulog ka, alam mo yan. 42. 6 times 8. No, 42 plus 8. Plus 7.
Easy. 56.
48. 6 times 9.
6 times 9 is 56.
Ah, 54. Plus 6 times plus 6 ay 6 times 10.
Wala 7?
Meron 6 times 7
60.
42. 42, 48, 54, 60. Kamu pa, hindi mo alam ito. Dapat master mo na ito Kasi kailangan mo ito. Pag nag-multiplication, katulad ng addition na multiplication. Addition, subtraction, then multiplication ang kasunod.
Grandma, ito lahat ay multiples minus.
Minus muna. Addition, then minus, then multiplication, then division. Kasi division need 3 operations. Addition, addition, subtraction, multiplication.
Diba? Divide is...
You divide. Like for example, 10 divided by 2 or 1/2 of 10. Ilan?
1/2 of 10?
Kalahati ng
5.
Ayan, that is division.
It's like minus.
Ang minus naman ay 10 minus 2. 10, babawasan mo lang ng dalawa.
8.
Yeah.
It's different from everybody.
That is different. That is what they call
Diba division sign look like a plus sign? Diba division look like a plus
division.
sign? Division look like a plus sign, diba?
No.
No, pero
Grandma,
kasi it's
that
broken.
line, it's a dot.
Because Grandma, it looks like the line from the
Vertical or horizontal?
from the vertical,
Then,
it looks like
what
broken.
a dot?
Tapos it looks like a broken, diba? The dots are the pieces.
Yeah.
And the line is the perfect.
That is.
What?
In division is...
Alam ko na, that's why there's 2, tapos 10 times 2 equals to 5.
10 times 12, so dalawang 10, 20. 20 divided by 2.
Alam ko na.
Divided by 2. Oh.
So, diba, ito yung 10, yung may dot, tapos yung line ay yung 2. Tapos, yung equals is hiding, small. Tapos, yung 20 ay yung another dot. 10, 20, another 30, a 4.
Ay, by 10. If you multiply it by 10.
20, tapos you make more and 10 divided by 3. So, you add another there. Tapos, yung line ay 3. Tapos, 20 ay
Kakabing.
yung 30 ay is here. And then, the 40 is there.
So, ayan yun. What's that?
50.
Oh, 100.
100. Then, easy too.
Every number.
4, 6, 8, 10.
Yeah, every number. Add number 1, 3, 5.
Alam ko na yan. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 1 plus 2. This is a funny type. 1 plus 1 equals 11. A funny time.
Okay.
No 1 plus 1. It's hard for them. They always score some down. And they always sagot 11, 7, 9.